Hi children, welcome back to the biology class. In the previous class we discussed about soil nutrients and increasing of soil nutrients. Today we are going to discuss about another crop management method, crop rotation. Some places are suitable for only cultivation of one crop. For example, in India approximately 34% of land under cultivation of rice. Usually, farmers do not grow a single crop in a particular agriculture field. For example, this is a agriculture field A and B. A farmer Somu cultivated sugarcane in A field for 5 years. In second case, Ramu cultivated sugarcane in the first year and followed by soybean and followed by sugarcane. Here I want to ask one question. In which agricultural field the soil lost more nutrients? Yes, you are right. In first case, the soil lost more nutrients. By cultivation of a single crop in a particular area for long term, the content, nutrient content and the percentage of the mineral elements in the soil will decrease. So, crop rotation is a crop management method increases soil fertility. Here, what is crop rotation? Very simple. Cultivation of two different crops in a series, one followed by another in the same agricultural field is called crop rotation. For example, after cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown. In crop rotation, legume plants play a vital role. Legume plants belongs to the leguminaceae family. They have a specialized roots which are home for rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. So the rhizobium bacteria able to convert nitrogen gas into nitrogenous compounds. So leguminaceae plants able to fix the nitrogen in the form of ammonia. So after cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown. So what happened here? The nutrient content utilized by paddy again replaced by groundnut. In second case, cultivation of paddy or maize, red gum has to be grown. Here red gum is the legume plant. And another one, mirchi has to be grown after cultivation of tobacco. So crop rotation is a method increasing of soil fertility and maintain the soil health forever. So this is a advisable crop management method in present scenario. I hope that you understood about crop rotation. In next class, we are going to discuss about mixed cropping. Thank you all.